With the rise of personal electric vehicles, or PEVs like electric scooters, one-wheels, electric skateboards, and e-bikes, more people are relying on these compact, efficient machines for commuting, recreation, and everyday errands. As this trend continues to grow, so does the need for specialized services that help keep these vehicles running safely and performing at their best. Whether you're looking to repair a broken part, upgrade your PEV for more power or range, or simply personalize your ride, there is a wide variety of shops and services available to meet your needs. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the types of repair shops and retailers across the United States that focus on PEVs. It outlines the differences between independent service shops, larger dealerships, and brand-authorized centers. It also highlights the kinds of upgrades and aftermarket parts available and offers practical advice on how to find the right shop for your vehicle. Independent shops are often the go-to for personalized service, custom modifications, and hard-to-find parts. Many of these businesses have deep experience with a wide variety of electric rideables, including models that might not be supported by major retailers or manufacturers. One well-known example is the One Stop Board Shop, which offers comprehensive services for electric skateboards, scooters, one-wheels, and e-bikes. They handle everything from simple maintenance tasks like grip tape installation and bearing replacement to more complex work such as tire swaps, battery diagnostics, and even high-end custom upgrades. Their expertise covers numerous brands, making them a versatile option for riders with different types of vehicles. Another standout is the PEV Labs, which specializes in urban mobility devices. They cater to those who own less common models or want customized builds. Whether it's adding new features or enhancing an electric skateboard's range and performance, shops like PEV Labs are ideal for those seeking creative and technical solutions. Then there's SkyArt Power Systems, which focuses specifically on custom battery builds. For riders who want to extend their vehicle's range or increase power output, having a tailor-made high-performance battery can make a significant difference. These upgrades not only enhance the riding experience, but also help maximize the lifespan and efficiency of your PEV. While independent shops offer personalized attention, dealerships and large retailers provide broader access to parts, accessories, and full-service support, especially for popular or mainstream brands. Rev Rides is a great example of a dealership that has expanded beyond simple sales. In addition to offering a wide selection of electric scooters, dirt bikes, and e-bikes, they provide customers with original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, and aftermarket parts, including upgraded motors, controllers, brakes, and batteries. Their focus on performance upgrades and accessories makes them a popular choice for those looking to take their PEV to the next level. In New York, Wilson's Electric Scooter Store provides both retail and express repair services. Customers can purchase electric scooters and e-bikes directly from the store, then rely on their in-house team for everything from basic maintenance to complex repairs and upgrades. This combination of sales and service under one roof is convenient for those who want a single trusted location for all their PEV needs. Many PEV brands understand the importance of having a reliable service network. As a result, they've developed partnerships with authorized repair centers or created their certified service programs. For example, One Wheel offers a store locator tool on their website to help users find authorized service centers across the country. These centers are trained specifically to handle one-wheel repairs, ensuring proper diagnostics and manufacturer-approved parts are used. Other companies like Segway also certify certain shops to perform official repairs on their electric scooters and related products. These brand-authorized centers are especially valuable for newer vehicles that are still under warranty or require brand-specific expertise and tools. By choosing a certified service provider, customers can often ensure the work done on their PEV meets the standards set by the manufacturer. It's an important consideration for maintaining performance and preserving warranty coverage. For many riders, a PEV isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a hobby or lifestyle. As such, there's a thriving market for upgrades and aftermarket parts that allow users to enhance performance, safety, and personal style. Some of the most common upgrades include high-performance batteries that offer longer range and faster speeds. Upgraded motors and controllers for smoother acceleration and improved torque. Enhanced brakes to increase safety, especially at higher speeds or in rough terrain. Custom accessories such as LED lighting, mirrors, racks, and phone mounts for added functionality and visibility. Cosmetic modifications, like custom grip tape, tire treads, wheel colors, and decals that allow riders to express their personality. Additionally, advanced diagnostic tools and preventive maintenance services are often available at shops that specialize in PEVs. These services can help detect problems early, reduce wear and tear, and ensure your ride remains safe and reliable over time. Finding a shop that can service or upgrade your PEV is easier than ever. Here are a few simple ways to get started. Use search engines or map apps to look for PEV repair near me or similar terms. Independent shops often serve specific cities or regions. Many PEV manufacturers provide directories of authorized repair centers and service partners. This can be a useful starting point if you want brand-specific support. National retailers like RevRides offer not only parts and accessories, but also expert guidance and customer service. Many of them ship nationwide, making it easier to get what you need even if you live in a remote area. Joining online communities, forums, or social media groups dedicated to PEVs can also lead to valuable recommendations and insights from experienced riders. As the world of personal electric vehicles continues to evolve, so too does the ecosystem of support services that keep these machines running at peak performance. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or a tech enthusiast, there are countless shops and resources available to help you maintain, upgrade, and personalize your electric ride. From independent repair centers and performance-focused builders to certified service providers and major retailers, the options are vast. Understanding the types of services available and knowing where to look can make a big difference in your PEV experience. This ensures safety, extends vehicle life, and makes every ride a more enjoyable experience. Before you go, check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.